Hi guys and welcome back. So you might be questioning where's the product we're going to be speaking about today. Well, actually I'm wearing it, and it's this, the Mountain Equipment Arrow Jacket. So the Arrow Jacket is the perfect option for anyone looking for all-day warmth and comfort for long hikes, mountain expeditions or even climbs. It's got an active fit, which means it's slightly tapered, it's nice and close to the body and form-fitting, so it's not going to get in the way when you're trying to clip clips or trying to remove gear from your harness, or if you're wearing a rucksack, you've got a hip belt on, it's not going to restrict your movement at all. It's a really nice fit, it certainly fits me really well. The elasticated cuffs mean the cuffs are nice and tight to your arms, so they're not getting in the way when you're using your hands, but we've also got sort of that mountain fit where if you extend your arms, the sleeves aren't going to roll up all the way to your sort of forearm, which is really nice to see. We're met with a lapel pocket here, which is a really good size, opens up to a nice big pocket inside, perfect for carrying anything that you want close to your person. And we've also got a pocket on either side, lower down. These are even bigger. You can happily fit a wallet or a phone in here, but you could also fit any snacks or anything you pick up on the trail that you want nice, quick, easy access to. So the Arrow Jacket is a warm, breathable layer, but it's also wind resistant. So the fibers and the double stitch seams mean that it's got really good high wind resistancy, which is perfect for anyone looking for sort of a warm jacket that also keeps off that breeze when you're up in a high altitude or potentially in an exposed location. This is perfect. It's also got a hexagonal weave on the inside of the jacket, which actually means it's very soft, it's very comfortable. So this could quite happily be worn close to the skin if you wanted it to. It's extremely comfortable, and because of the materials it's made out of, it helps wick moisture away really quickly. So if you're wearing this on sort of a mild day where the breeze is cooling you off but the actual ambient temperature isn't that low, this is going to help remove any of that moisture that's created from you being a little bit warmer than you should be. Or if you're doing any sort of strenuous activity like climbing or stuff and you want something that you can chuck on once you've stopped, because you've sweated a lot in that activity, you don't want to cool off too much, then this is a really good option for you. It's extremely light, we'll put the weight just up here for you. And although it isn't designed to pack in its own pocket, it's something I do on a regular basis. So these two bottom pockets here are ample, big enough for you to stuff the jacket into. It doesn't have a two-way zip, but if that's something you'd like to do or something you'd like for your jacket, it's completely possible with this jacket. So with this jacket, we're also met by a full-length zip, so there's no need to worry about trying to get it over the top of a helmet. If you're climbing or mountaineering, you can just unzip it all the way down and throw it on without any issues whatsoever, which is really nice to see. It's also PFC free, which is awesome. It's really good for the environment. It's not going to release any toxins or anything. And like I said, it's just a nice all-round jacket. It's something that I keep very close to hand. I put it on more often than I don't. It's the perfect jacket for anyone that wants something that does a little bit of everything. It keeps you warm, it keeps the wind off, but it also packs down and is a nice lightweight sort of throw over layer. It's perfect for any sort of mountain activity or even just walking around the city. I often wear this guy to work. It really is one of my favourite garments I own. Like I said, one of the big selling points of this jacket is just its lightweight and its size as well. So we mentioned earlier that although it's not designed to be packed into its own pocket, it can be, so I thought I'd demonstrate that now for you while we're just chatting about my opinion of the jacket. I've been able to have this jacket for I think a little over a year now, and I've honestly used it far more than I thought I would. It's a very sort of lightweight throw-on layer, but it's amazing how much warmth it gives you. Like I said, it can be worn close to the skin, which isn't sort of that you have to wear it like, but it is an option. But I obviously carry this whenever I go out onto the moors for a wild camp. If I'm going for a day hike and I want to throw something in that's quite light, quite small, and quite compact, this is certainly the layer I reach for more often than not. Like I said, it's not designed to zip into its own pocket, but it does with absolutely no issues. It's lovely and light. Again, it's a small pack size, I'd say that's pretty generous for it. It could go a lot smaller. But if you're looking for a really warm layer, you want something to keep a little bit of the breeze off, then this is a really awesome layer for you. So that was a really quick look at the Arrow Jacket from Mountain Equipment. If you've got any questions, feel free to put them down in the comments section below. If not, we'll catch you on our next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us out, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you very much.